Let me tell you something most people get wrong. There is a massive difference between a home that looks nice and a home that looks expensive. And the secret is surprisingly simple. Luxury has nothing to do with how much you spend. It's about how intentionally you design. I am Seylan, interior designer and architect here in Dubai. I know some of you might be wondering about the recent tensions in the region. First of all, thank you so much for your kind messages and concerns. My family and I are safe and continuing our daily routine. We are truly grateful for the leadership and authorities here in Dubai for keeping the city secure. Today, I am going to show you 10 high impact designers level upgrades that instantly elevate your space without renovation, without stress, and definitely without a luxury budget. If you are ready to turn your home into a quiet luxury, effortlessly, you are in the right place. But first, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe and like. It genuinely helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more real life contents. So, after your subscriptions, let's dive in. Number 1. Control your color palette. Most homes don't look expensive for one simple reason. The color palette is all over the place. A little beige here, a random gray there, a surprise blue cushion in the corner. And suddenly, the whole house feels busy, restless, and unintentional. When every room has its own mood, nothing feels cohesive. And without cohesion, you lose that quiet, high-end look. The solution is surprisingly simple. Control your colors. Choose one main shade that grounds the home, a supporting color that adds depth, and a small accent that ties everything together. Repeat those tones from room to room, and your space instantly feels calmer, more curated, and naturally more expensive, without spending anything extra. Number 2. Use symmetry strategically. Most homes don't look expensive because the layout feel unbalanced. One lamp on one side, a plant floating somewhere else, shelves that looks like each item is fighting for attention. It creates visual noise, and nothing kills a luxury vibe faster than chaos. The solution is simple and incredibly effective. Use symmetry. Luxury hotels use it constantly because it immediately creates order and intention. Two lamps framing a sofa, a pair of chairs anchoring a conversation area, balanced styling on shelves. Symmetry brings harmony, and harmony reads as premium. When space feels stable and thoughtfully arranged, it automatically feels high-end, without buying a single new pieces of furniture. Number 3. Replace basic hardware. Most homes lose the expensive look because of one sneaky detail we often ignore. Basic hardware. Those shiny chrome handles, generic knobs, and builder-grade fixtures instantly make a space feel standard, not stylish. Even if the rest of your decor is beautiful, outdated or cheap hardware pulls everything down. The solution is incredibly simple and surprisingly powerful. Upgrade the metal details. Swap out those basic pieces for something with character. Brushed brass for warmth, matte black for contrast, or brushed nickel for soft and timeless look. These tiny changes act like jewelry for your home, adding polish and personality without touching your budget. It's one of the fastest, lowest cost upgrades that immediately makes your space feel more custom and more expensive. Number 4. Upgrade switch plates and outlets. Most homes lose that expensive and polished look because of the tiny detail we overlooked. And switch plates are one of the biggest criminals. Those standard white plastic plates break the visual flow, stand out in the worst way, and instantly remind you the home is more builder basic than designer intentional. The fix is effortless. Upgrade them. Choose matte black for contrast. Brush matte for a sleek, elevated feel. Or color match plates that blend seamlessly into the wall. It's such a small change, but it transforms how clean, cohesive, and high-end your space feels. Because in the true luxury design, the details aren't optional. They are what make the whole room look intentional. Number 5. Upgrade your lighting. The fastest transformation. Most homes don't look expensive for a very simple reason. The lighting is harsh, cold, and flat. That bright white ceiling light that makes everything look like a hospital. Yes, that's one. It instantly strips away warmth, softness, and depth, leaving your space looking cheap, no matter how nice your furniture is. The fix is fast, dramatic, and completely budget friendly. Upgrade your lighting. Instead of relying on one strong overhead light, add layers. A warm, ambient glow. Focus task lights where you need them. And a few subtle accents to shape the mood. And here is the magic trick. Choose warm bulb around 2007 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin. They soften the room, add richness, and make everything look more expensive in 1 second. Because lighting isn't decoration, it's atmosphere. It's the difference between nice room and wow, this feels luxurious. Number 6. Declutter visible surfaces. Most homes don't look expensive because every surface slowly turns into a storage unit. Kitchen counters covered with appliances, bathroom sinks lined with products, coffee tables stacked with everything. All that visual clutter instantly cheapens the space, no matter how nice the items are. The upgrade is simple. Clear the surfaces you see every day. Keep only what you truly use or what generally adds beauty. When counters, vanities, and tables feels open and intentional, the whole room feels calmer, cleaner, and far more luxurious. Because the truth is simple. The richer the home, the less visual noise. Number 7. Introduce one statement pieces per room. Most rooms don't look expensive because nothing stands out. Everything is nice, but nothing has the confidence to take the lead. So the whole space ends up feeling flat, forgettable, and little unsure for itself. The fix is beautifully simple. Give each room one statement piece. It could be a bold sofa, a striking chandelier, or a sculptural coffee table. Something that immediately anchors the space and tells your eye, start here. When a room has a clear focal point, everything around it suddenly feels more intentional, more curated, and far more luxurious. Because luxury isn't about having many beautiful things, it's about having one unforgettable one. Number 8. Upgrade your bedding. Most bedrooms don't look expensive because the bedding feels messy, overstuffed, or mismatched. When colors, patterns, and textures compete, the whole room loses that calm, luxurious vibe, no matter how nice the furniture is. The upgrade is effortless. Treat your bedding like a hotel. Start with crisp white or neutral beige. Add 2 or 3 structured pillows for shape. And finish with one texture throw to bring warmth and depth. This simple layering instantly makes the bed look intentional, inviting, and high-end. Because nothing elevates a room faster than bedding that feels serene, tailored, and quietly luxurious. Number 9. Incorporate natural elements. Most homes miss that expensive, refined look because they rely on too heavily synthetic finishes. Shiny plastics, faux woods, glossy surfaces that feel flat and lifeless. Without real texture, the space loses depth, warmth, and that natural richness you see in high-end interiors. The solution is beautifully simple. Bring in natural elements. A touch of real woods, a piece of stone, or even one large indoor plant instantly adds life, texture, and sophistication to a room. Natural materials do what synthetic ones can't. They age gracefully, they add character, and they make the space feel more grounded and intentional. Even a single well-placed plant can transform the corner from empty to elevated. Number 10. Create negative space. Most homes lose that high-end look because they are simply too full. Every corner gets a chair. Every wall gets art. Every shelf gets something. And the room ends up feeling crowded rather than curated. When there is no briefing room, even beautiful pieces start competing instead of elevating each one. The solution is a little bit challenging but powerful. Create negative space. Leave intentional gaps around the furniture. Keep some walls partially empty. And allow the design to breathe. When you stop feeling every inch, the pieces you do choose suddenly look more important and more refined, also more expensive. Because in luxury design, silence isn't empty, it's elegance. So let's wrap it up. Making your home look more expensive isn't about chasing the trends or copying what you saw on Instagram. It's about restraint, consistency, and those quiet details that whisper luxury without trying too hard. When you apply even 5 of today's upgrades, your space won't just look better. It feels more intentional, more elevated, and more like the home you have always imagined. So tell me in the comments, which one are you fixing first? And if you are ready for more designer level transformations, make sure you are subscribed because your home deserves to look as confident as you do.